Hello, I'm Paul from Munich. Today I want to show you how you can use VS Code tunnels and our Sky platform to work directly in the cloud with a beast of machine and having the feeling that you're developing locally in your IDE. If you never heard VS Code tunnels or if you never heard about our Sky platform, just watch the video. In the next couple of minutes, you will understand what I'm talking about. Hello, I'm back. I will now quickly give you a demo how you can use the PERIAN Sky platform to launch a VS Code development environment anywhere in the cloud. So first of all, you need access to the PERIAN Sky platform, create an account, and the other thing what you have to do is to install the PERIAN CLI. And of course, you need also a GitHub account. So first of all, what I'm normally doing when I'm start my working day after grabbing a coffee is just checking out currently the instance type prices. Let's check out a A100. Maybe we're using today A100. And then you get now an overview of the different prices for like the different specifications which you were selecting. So you see here, like it's $2.73. So it's a pretty fair price, I think. But because it's just a demo, I want to show you with a T4. Let me check out the T4. And here you see like 71 cents. So why not? Let's try it out. And then the next thing is you have to create a job, or like here you have to specify a Docker image, and the Perian is then pulling the Docker image and executing it. And what I did, I just created the normal Ubuntu Docker image and installed VS Code and then created the code, and just then directly we're running the code tunnel. Yes. Parent job create. And yes, that looks good. Now it takes a couple of minutes that the Docker image is pulled and the instance is provisionized. And let's see you in 5 minutes. So after 3 or 5 minutes, you can just check the state of your VM if already the cloud provider provisionized the VM and started the job. And yeah, it worked. You see here the output of the running Docker image and where it is. There it is. Here with this link, you can register this tunnel to your GitHub account. Then let's go. And I have to type in the code. It's BBC2. And the other one is like 221B. Then I have to allow that I'm using VS Code. Okay. And now, last but not least, you can now connect to your remote tunnel. For that, I'm just pressing here, connect to a tunnel. I'm using GitHub. You can also use Microsoft, but I'm using GitHub. Then I say allow. And you see here a bunch of different tunnels, but this time this one is online and I want to connect to this one. So I'm connecting it, taking a couple of seconds. Wait a second. You're now connected to the instance. So what is the cool feature is that you have now directly access to the NVIDIA GPUs. And you can check out, for example, here with NVIDIA SMI, the usage. So yeah, you're done with developing with the VS Code and at the Sky platform. You just then cancel the job. So to do that, first of all, you have to get, there it is. So you need the ID of the job. See here now all of the outputs. And then you have to run PERIAN job cancel. And the job is cancelled and you're good to go. Enjoy your time with VS Code and the Sky platform.